So Lab 9 is relevant to molecular shapes. So first section, it just goes into guiding you on how to use this simulation. So there's model that you can build, which just has like atoms with no names really. It's just so that you can look at the shapes. And then you have real molecules and you can look at their shapes and their lone pairs. The simulation is very useful for actually visualizing these molecules, because looking at pictures of these like little shapes with these little sticks and ball models, it just sometimes it's very hard to visualize. So actually having these and being able to move them around, and you can kind of see what we mean by plane versus, you know, sticking out versus going to the back. This is very useful. So really take advantage of this. You can play around with it. It shows you molecular geometry and electron geometry, so you can see the difference between those two. And you can show the bond angles, show the lone pairs, everything. So it's very useful. Now, after that, you will be looking at every single domain, which just means every single type of shape. So there's, whenever you have two domains or two electron groups, there's a lot of synonyms in this chapter. So electron groups, domains, electron domains, those all mean the same thing. And then 3 and so on until you get to 6. That's the maximum. So you will answer questions related to each of these. You'll build a simple molecule related to each of these. You'll type in the bond angle, the molecular geometry, electron geometry, which once again is given to you by the simulation. So it's just a matter of you building it and really understanding what each of those things mean: bond angle, lone pairs, molecular geometry, electron geometry. Once again, it's all here. So it's just a matter of going along with this. It guides you really well through it.